Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. For this DIY, we will use 3 long planks, 2 wooden plaques, 3 lanterns, wooden corners like these, and some paint. First, I will align 2 of the long planks. For the third plank, I pre-cut 2 pieces of 3.5 inches, just slightly bigger than the base of the lanterns. As you can see, I have made some markings with my pencil to place the dividers on the correct spot. I will attach all the pieces using Gorilla Glue and reinforce them with clamps. The long planks are from Hobby Lobby, but you can recreate this DIY using Dollar Tree materials. Next, I will attach the top and the bottom of the tower. As you can see, I have sewn markings to ensure I place the tower right in the center. Here's what we have so far for the tower. It is time to glue the wooden corners using tacky glue. I will do this for the top and the bottom. Now that the tower is dry, it is time to paint the entire piece using this beautiful gray paint. I will apply 2 coats in total. Next, I will dry brush the entire tower using this gold rose paint as I want the tower to look like metal. To hang the lanterns, I will find the center in each ceiling, and then using my handheld drill, I will make holes and attach eye hooks. I cut the jute core of the lanterns and filled the hole with wood filler. Once the filler had dried, I made a smaller hole and attached eye hooks and chains. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this lantern tower? For the 2-minute bonus DIY, I will glue everything with hot glue. If you want more permanent pieces, I recommend using A6000 glue. All the materials are from Dollar Tree. What do you think of these beautiful candlesticks? Do you think they look like they are from Dollar Tree? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting DIYs.